Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8A and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more options. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here, and as you can see it gives us access to other settings, and for now we are interested in this button from the left. By tapping on this we get access to advanced camera settings, and as you can see at the first position here we have the Save Location Info button, so by tapping on this we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. So this is how it works here. And also the important information is that when we really want to save the location of our picture, to make it work correctly we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters when you want to save the location of the picture. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.